to do today?
Make chocolate roulade.
We're going to make a chocolate roulade. Here are all of our ingredients and things. First thing we need to do is we need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. We need to make the chocolate filling. So we need eggs,
chocolate,
and chocolate. What you need to do is you need to break the chocolate into here. So how much chocolate do we need?
50,000.
We need 8. We need 8 ounces of this chocolate.
I'll break it. I'm not going to break it.
So no, you need to put it in here first.
Oh, in there. Oh, we don't need a wrapper. I'm going to get that one out. There's more.
Yeah.
Because I'm doing such a good breaker today. This is the best breaker I can be. I just wish this would break.
I need to boil the kettle.
So, I'm just going to boil the kettle. Look at all this chocolate.
We're going to melt the chocolate over a pan of boiling water.
Yeah.
We need to put 2 tablespoons of water into this bowl. We need to crack the eggs, 2 eggs, into this bowl. Are you okay with that?
Go on. And next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I've seen on Facebook is if you squeeze the bottle and then suck the yolk into it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can I go?
Yeah. So don't break the yolk. You need to squeeze the bottle. Oh, did it work?
Yeah. Oh, it actually worked.
Yes! We did it!
Can I go the other one?
Right, but you've got to like not break it.
Oh. Why not spoon?
Because you need to whisk them with a fork.
I'll whisk it. Hannah, I'm going to play my little game now.
Be really hot now though, okay?
Burn my finger. Is it like that?
It's really, really hot.
Oh God. So very hot.
So,
Don't
don't touch the bowl. But, can you pour the eggs in? Don't get it everywhere either.
Oh, it smells so
Watch what you're doing.
The chocolate smells so good.
This is really hard.
Is it?
Can you get Mum to see if this looks right?
You're not the best cook.
Huh?
You're not the best cook.
I'm not the best cook. No, I'm not. Right. So, next step is to make the cake.
So, bring the bowl over here then.
We need to, I think we need to do the, again, maybe,
Yes.
wait. So much washing up to do. This time we need to do it with 6 eggs.
Socks?
6 eggs. So, let's crack 6 eggs into this bowl.
Done it. Crack one.
Suck it up. Like, unsqueeze the bottle. And then you've got to tilt it. Wait, careful, 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 careful. Okay. Right, be careful. Don't get egg everywhere. Philippe! Oh my god.
You didn't tell me it was on the end, did you?
Oh, you're not holding it very still. We need to add the 5 ounces of caster sugar to the yolks. Out, and then you can put it in. So we need 2 ounces of cocoa powder. Oops.
2.
1.
Is that chocolate powder? 2.
2. Right, now very carefully pour it into here.
Okay.
Don't get it everywhere. Right, and then we need to whisk up the egg whites. So can you mix that very carefully while I whisk this up?
Oh, I don't like the whisker.
Finley, you've got it everywhere.
Oh.
I feel like I should use the electric whisk really, it might be easier.
Yeah. Do you have an electric spoon? Really stiff.
Yeah, it's alright.
To cook.
That's right? Right? Okay, that's right now. So now we need to put it in there. And does it say fold? How are we going to do this together?
Now I'm going to put this over your head.
No! Finley.
There was all bubbles in here. This is only egg, you know.
Give me a hand.
Here's a hand.
Keep that, don't.
And there's a bit of butter on here. Oh.
Mind. Everywhere, Finn. Help me hold the bowl though. That's not helping me hold it.
I've got my sticky hands on it. Oh, it smells so nice.
Yeah, you can't eat any of it though because it's got loads of raw egg in. Right, shake this a bit.
That is a bit. That is.
Right, now put it in for 25 minutes.
25 minutes. That's not a long time.
We need to whisk this egg up now.
Egg up.
No, no. With the whisk.
Oh, with the whisk.
Right, now we need to mix that into here.
It's not tea time yet.
No, it's not. Why did you say that?
Because you were ringing the bell for tea. Into there.
Yeah. Right, so now we need to cover this over and put it in the fridge. So now we've made the middle bit of the cake, and the cake is in the oven. So now we've just got to tidy up all this mess and wait for the cake to cool once it's out of the oven. Yay! We're back. And now we have our cake, and we need to whisk the cream up in this bowl. And I'm going to go and get the chocolate out of the fridge. Don't do anything.
I haven't done anything.
Judging by your giggle, I'm not sure. Here's our chocolate.
Okay then, it's thick.
It's solid.
It's solid.
Go and get Mum. It is absolutely solid chocolate in a bowl, and we're meant to be spreading this on the cake. So shall we whisk up the cream first?
Yeah.
Okay. Whipped?
Cream. Whipped cream.
Cream! Cream!
We're gonna get on with this, aren't we?
No. A bit more water.
Little bit.
Oops, that's probably quite a lot. Got to roll it over.
Roll that first bit in. Just put them off. Okay. Right, now stop. Now use this to roll it. Use this as a fast do the work. Don't push it out, roll it.
Fantastic. Finn. That looks great.
Chocolate log.
That's how you make a chocolate roulade. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Well done, Finn. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you soon with another one.
Come here, Squid.
This is Squid.
Yeah.
Me and Squid will see you soon.
Bye. And my name's actually Finley.